how to reach out to the TikTok email from where you'll be able to get the support or help if you got any problems while using your TikTok. So today in this video I'll be talking about the way to get the email and get support from them. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. Now let's talk about the first way. For that you have to tap on your profile at the right button corner. And here just tap over the 3-bar horizontal line at the right upper corner and just go for settings and privacy. In this section, if you scroll down a little bit, here will be the option for report a problem, support, and terms and policies. You just can go for report a problem, and you can also report a problem directly to TikTok about some of your features that are not working. You can also scroll down to the button, and here is submit a report option. By tapping over there, you will be directly opened up to the text field where you can directly enter your problem and submit it to TikTok. By doing that, TikTok will contact you through your connected phone number or email, and they will help you to fix your problem. After that, you just can go back, and here will be the option for support also. You just can go for support, and here are two options: help center and safety center. You just can go for any one of them according to your needed preferences and find your reports or find your solution for your problem. You also can go for help center and visit the various solution for your problem on the help center. It will be helpful and help you to fix your problem about everything like this. So this is how you can contact the TikTok and get reply from them. So hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.